Good morning, this is Market Moves coming at you, and what I'm going to do today is give you a video for all the people that are owning the indicator and want to know how to trade the indicator better. So the indicator is something I programmed, something I made. It's on tradingview.com, and as you can see on the bottom, it's just an oscillator. So it shows you when to sell, when to buy a stock, but it's more than that, and I'm going to show you how you can use it today. Stay tuned. Just a quick reminder, hit that subscribe button because I put out content all the time, and I put out valuable content on the indicator, on technical analysis, and I also took my account from $3,000 to almost $50K, and that's all live. So check out the channel, a lot of great stuff, but this is purely for those who want to understand how to use the indicator better. So this is one of my best tricks for finding stocks that are buys on the indicator. So what we're going to do today is look for stocks that are floating with that buy signal zone. And what I do is I go to the stock screener, and it looks like tradingview.com has a great stock screener, and all you have to do is apply these 5 filters. So the filters are, you want common stock, and you want the market cap to be above $10 billion because, like I said before, the indicator works really well when stocks are in a larger market cap range. Those penny stocks tend to defy the indicator sometimes. So we're going to stick to that $10 billion level as the lowest, and we'll go all the way up to whatever is the highest. And I want you to click NASDAQ and the NYSE. We just want those two indexes, all the stocks that they have, to be in the stock screener. So that's the only 3, honestly. The percent change is not affected, and then the close is not affected. So we only have 3. We have common stock and exchange type and market cap. So once you click those 3, you're going to have percent change here, and you're going to go by the biggest percent change first. So we have stocks that you're going to recognize right away. You're going to punch those in. So we're going to have Square as the first one. And what I do is I click Square, and then I drop down the stock screener and see where it is on the indicator. And it looks like on the daily we don't have a buy, but it's very hard to get a buy on the daily. So I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart just to see where we are. And it looks like the stock screener, although this is dropping far, it's still not a buy on my indicator. So what I'm going to do next is go to the stock screener again, see what is on there that looks hot, and we're going to go to NVIDIA. This stock is a buy. So this is very exciting because we do have one that looks like it could be a possible buy, and it could be a pretty great signal. So we're going to go to the further time frames, and we see on the weekly this is a huge buy. This is massive. So NVIDIA does look like it's going to be a stock that we want to look into. And what you do next is, after you find a stock that looks like it's a buy, you're going to put in about 1/3 of what you would normally put into a trade. And this is because when something is falling, we don't know how far it's going to fall or how high it's going to go if it's being bought. So we want to put in a little bit in case it falls further, and keep on putting a little bit and a little bit more. So I suggest 1/3 of the position to start, and if it goes against you, another 3%, maybe another 1/3, and then the last 1/3 is if the indicator is still green, you put in that last 1/3. But if at any point the indicator turns blue, you might want to think of taking off that position if you're not making money. So just for fun, I'm going to look through one more stock. We're going to look through something that looks like it's popular and everyone knows about it. Let's look at Salesforce.com. So CRM, and we'll see if that looks like it's a buy on the screener. And unfortunately on the daily we don't have a strong buy. On the 4-hour we do not have a buy either. So you just repeat this process over and over again, and if we're in a bear market or a market that's dropping, you want to look for stocks that are a buy because they're going to be the strongest up stocks that make you the most money when they pop. Like this green signal here would have made you about, let's say, $7 if you bought it at the signal alert. And when the market's dropping as a whole, you just want to buy the things that are dropping. And if the market is on a bull run, you want to buy the things that are on a sell signal for the market mover indicator. So this video is purely out there to help out those who have the indicator. A lot of people have been signing up, so I want to give them the tools to be great at using this. And there is that 7-day free trial if you want to try it. It's going to be in the link in the bio. Feel free to check that out and let me know if you have any more questions. So Market Moves signing off. Peace.